What's up, guys? So back with another video. Today's a rather unexpected video. I had no plans to actually pick up the S10 Plus, but a friend of mine did the AT&T BOGO deal, and let's just say I got a really good deal. So this is the black S10 Plus from AT&T. He didn't open it to check it out, but that's about it. All right, so let's check it out. We got the S10 Plus. This is the 128 gig model. This is going to be locked to AT&T. I'm gonna unlock it. I'll probably do a video for that. Packaging is recyclable. I've seen a few videos, which is pretty cool. I guess they're taking with Apple with no plastic, but let's get this open. Got the showpiece alone, which is the phone. I'm not really going to talk about specs. I'll try to put them down below. There's been a lot of unboxing videos. Just want to show them. I'll take the back plastic off. Love that part, so satisfying. I'm going to take off the stamp on the back. We don't need that. Put it inside the box perhaps. And then inside the box, which you've probably seen on a few other videos, I don't know why they did this, but they put the manuals and crap inside here, and it's nearly impossible to get out. Give it a good bang. There we go. In case you don't succeed, try again. You got your SIM eject tool. I'll be needing that shortly to set up. And then you got your usual books and crap, and I'll let you know about the screensaver. I am going to leave that baby in there. It's not going to, like Flossie said, this is not going to protect your screen at all. I don't even know how you take off the BS one. Here we go. There's a screen little protector on here. This isn't going to protect your screen at all from a drop, but light scratches, it's going to protect it. I'm going to keep it on until I get my Whitestone. There will be a video for that. Don't be mistaken. Don't keep an eye out for that. You got your matching charging brick, which is matte black, which is very cool. Matches the phone. Good job, Samsung. You got your OTG cable if you want to transfer data or use a USB stick. Very nice. Your USB-C charging cable with USB type A connector. Now I wish they came with a connector that made this USB-C as well, since most stuff today is USB-C. And then you got your AKG earbuds in black. Very, very cool little setup. And that's about it. This is cardboard, as I said. Very nice little setup. All right, I'll probably be doing a lot of coverage on this phone. I'm going to be able to, if you've made it this far, my next video will be mapping the Bixby button to Google Assistant. Everybody said it couldn't be done. Well, it can. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, share it around. It's just a typical unboxing video, but you know, I got to do it. All right, guys, laters, peace.